And here we have WAVLINK. This is the Wi-Fi 6 Tri-Band AX5400 PCIe adapter. It has the antennas and all that. This is the WN675X3G PCIe Gen 4 in here. And, well, we'll pull it out of here and see what's going on. Bluetooth 5.3. Besides the Wi-Fi 6E 3 band. So you have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi at once. And on my PC right now, I actually have a not the best Bluetooth dongle ever. I have a really cheapo USB one. So this will be a huge upgrade. And this is the unit. Let's see what else is in here. The antenna and the magnetic base. And then underneath, you have the booklets, driver if you need to. You have the short plate and the quick start guide. And that is pretty much it. Let me check the unit itself. Oh yeah, this looks cool. I'm going to need the full plate here because I have a full computer. But this is it. This is where you plug the power cable. Oh yeah, we have it right here. I have quite a few pins left on my computer anyway, so I can do that. Look at this thing. Nice. They connect this part right here. And the other side on the motherboard, you have the pins out. And you have a nice heat sink here on top of the chip. And basically, we are very much ready to go. This is the module inside right there. Not sure if you can see it. It's inserted. And you have the antennas right here. Nice. Oh yeah, this is a lot of cable. And, well, ooh. This magnet is quite good at this job. Okay, yeah. This magnet is good. Let me tell you that. So let's go connect it to my PC, and that's it. That's all we have to do here. And I connected the cable right there. And the other side, of course, it's going to be on the card itself. And we have the card ready here. So I can finally get rid of the Bluetooth USB dongle. Because I'm really getting tired of it. And it should fit perfect. Yep, just like that. And we just have to put the screw right there. And we are ready to put the antennas. This fits really nice. Absolutely amazing. Oh, let's not forget this little piece right here. It's not a big deal. Actually, it is a big deal. Just like that. Boom. Now we are ready to jump in and do something. Yes, I had to put some of the drives like this because these new computers are made cute, but in most cases, absolutely useless. It has a lot of M.2s, but how about some SATAs? That would be nice, right? SATA. Heard of them before? Anyway, we're here for this piece that we just installed, and we're gonna install the antennas real quick. And the antenna cables are put in, and they're outputted to this little guy right here. And the beauty of this one is the magnetic base. So I can basically put it anywhere I want. Just, whoa, this magnet is really good. This side, or even on a side like that. This is really cool, gotta tell you. Or I can put it in a monitor arm if I'm feeling ambitious, just like that. Boom. It can stay there too, but nah, I'd rather have it here. Is I'm in the vicinity here. I'm not too far. This is really cool. WAVLINK, of course, like always, nailed it. So let's jump in and connect some devices. I mean, Bluetooth is quite invisible to the naked eye, so you're not gonna see the waves unless I connect something to it and install some drivers. And let's get some drivers for the WAVLINK really quick. It's the link that comes in the booklet anyway, without me telling you. And right here, you choose if you want the manuals or the driver for Windows or Linux. We have Windows in this instance, and just wait for it to finish downloading. And that's it. We're going to unzip this folder real quick. And this is our folder. Just then install the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth drivers. Because yes, this one has both. So hit next. Yes, install. Just make sure the green light on the back of the card is turned on. That's how you know that you have power. And completed. Now we have Bluetooth. Yes. And after do all the next, we're gonna finish installing it. Looks like the Bluetooth is an Intel version of it, and we're gonna hit finish. And that is it. Now, natively on this computer, I actually don't have Bluetooth or Wi-Fi installed, except for the WAVLINK. And looks like, look at that. Both are somehow, well, Windows 11 does it automatically. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Look at the bars, literally full. Like, they can't go any fuller than that. This is good. How about Bluetooth? Whoa, okay. So we have enough devices, but let me go to search mode on Bluetooth, because that's when you see if it's working. Oh yeah, look at that. Found the watch right away. I don't want to connect the watch, but let me open some quick headphones and see if it finds them. Yep, BG1, that's my headphones. Look at this thing. Boom, connected. Wow, this is actually good. I like this. Okay, let me disconnect these, put them back. Let me try my headphones that I actually use daily and see if these will be recognized right away. Add device, Bluetooth. Oh yeah, right away. Crusher Evo. Wow, this is good actually. Finally I have a good. Wow. Finally I have a good Bluetooth. Whoo! So now I can feel human again. Okay, so I have Wi-Fi, I have Bluetooth, I'm connected to Ethernet. Actually, let me disconnect the Ethernet really quick. So now we don't have Ethernet at all, and will force us to connect to Wi-Fi only on the new WaveLink. And well, let me connect real quick. Oh yeah, look at that. Right away, Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi is more secure now. Yeah, I know. Look at this thing. Boom, connected on Wi-Fi 6 for the first time on this PC. Literally, I never had Wi-Fi 6 on this PC, actually. I had a Wi-Fi dongle, you know, the USB dongles, but you know how those are. Let me check the speeds really quick. And we are with VPN, so we're gonna check it. Oh yeah, wow. So I have literally the full speed, as if I was connected with a cable. Wow, this wavelength is actually good. This thing is good. Wow. Where have I been before? And this Intel wireless is our Bluetooth recognized here. And that's it. That's all we need. Finally. And there's an update, looks like, on this one. Yep, that's the update we need really quick. And we have the Wi-Fi 6E AX right here. That's the one we just installed, PCIe bus 4. That is amazing. You can check for more drivers if you need them. Update driver. Well, we just installed them just to make sure. So everything is connected perfect. And I'm connecting devices. Ooh, for the first time. For the first time, actually Bluetooth and Wi-Fi do not suck on my computer. That's amazing. I really love this thing. Okay, that's all I could tell you. I mean, it is what it is. It's a beautiful device. Thank you, WaveLink, for being a good sport. Absolutely appreciate that.